Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another day in my holiday card series. Before we get started, I want to share with you what my card class is going to be for November. This will run from November 1st through the 15th, or while supplies last. This is one of those showcases that is going to go really quickly, kind of like the Blended Seasons did back in August. So this is the Snowflake Showcase, and it's an exclusive product that's only available from November 1st through the 30th or while supplies last. So my class for November 2018 is going to include product from this showcase. And what you're going to do is you're going to place a $75 order using a hostess code that will go live tomorrow, November 1st, because that's when this goes live. So make sure you head over to the blog. That will be listed down below. Use that hostess code to place a $75 order before shipping and taxes. That includes one of the stamps and the dies from this bundle. And then you're going to get, after the hostess code closes, I'll probably keep it open until the 15th. So toward the end of the month, you're going to get a kit to make cards. You're going to get 3 cards to each, or 6 cards to each of 3 designs, along with videos and the supply sheet, etc. These will be exclusive to the people that purchase these supplies. So again, $75 purchase before shipping and taxes. Use the hostess code that will be provided. You'll have until November 15th or while supplies last. So if you're interested in this, you're going to want to place your order ASAP. Your supplies will ship toward the end of November. The hostess code will close on the 15th, and then I'll have to place our order, and then of course the holidays, etc. For Thanksgiving for us. Again, unfortunately, this is only available in the United States. So let me show you the product that you have to choose from. There's no bundle in this set. There are 2 different stamp sets. Now, I only got the one. So there's Snow is Glistening, and that's this one. So this is the winter Christmas themed. And then there's more, this one's called Happiness Surrounds, and this one is more of a kind of all over, like congratulations, hello friend. So it's a more just all occasions greeting set. And then you get the snowflake trinkets, which are these. How pretty are these? You get 20 pieces, and they're beautiful. There are the snowflake thinlet dies. I'm about to show you a card making these. Look at all these beautiful snowflakes, guys. They're so pretty. And they are kind of big. This is the biggest one. Look at that. How gorgeous. And then the last thing that you can purchase is this white velvet paper. So this, you would think that it feels like flocking, but it actually feels like a piece of velvet, like, material. It's just so nice, and I just want to rub it all over my body, but I'm not going to. So yeah, so make a purchase, again, $75 or more before shipping and taxes using the hostess code that will be over on the blog. It has to include one of these 2 stamp sets and the thinlets. Now, I'm not going to be using this one, so if you want to take advantage of the class, you're going to want to purchase the Snow is Glistening. So yeah, so if you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to go ahead and clean off my desk and get set up for our card, and I will catch you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm back. So I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock that measures, or thick Whisper White, excuse me, that measures 4 by 5 1/4. I've added that to my Stamparatus, and I'm going to be using this sentiment from the Merry Christmas to All. May the beauty of the season fill your heart with joy. I love that sentiment, and I think it goes perfectly with like a season's greeting rather than something that is strictly Christmas, because there are like 40 holidays between now and the first of the year, and not everybody celebrates Christmas, which is fine. So, and snowflakes can be used for winter. I mean, it is, you know, we're about to be in winter. So anyway, yeah. So I'm going to be embossing this. So I'm going to use my embossing buddy, and I'm going to bring in some Versamark ink. I'm going to ink this up. Oh no, when did that happen? Ah, pooped. Oopsie daisy. Okie dokie. Oh my word. How in tarnation did that happen? Well, good thing gold goes with these colors I'm using today. Put it on the list, Misty. You need new birthmark pad. Oh my word. Oh my gooch. Okay, I'm actually going to use Whisper White embossing powder for this. So been doing some emboss resist. Oh, that's beautiful. While I have this out, I'm going to bring in a scrap piece of Whisper White, and we are going to stamp this snowflake from the stamp set using Blushing Bride. Not embossing it, I'm just stamping it. Beautiful. I'm going to set these two things aside, and then I'm going to bring in my heat tool and melt my sentiment. You can kind of see that. I'm going to set this aside to dry, or not dry, but to cool down, and while we do our die cutting. So I'm going to be using a piece of the sparkling glimmer paper. This is the new one that is just so thin and so lovely. Look how thin that is. And this is one that will not flake. So that's gonna be the big one. Then I've taken a piece of Blushing Bride, and oh, I meant to stamp, good grief. I meant to stamp that other snowflake in seafoam, so we'll redo it. Anyway, that one's gonna cut out this one. No, that one's gonna cut out this one. Let's put that to the side. Let me go ahead and stamp the correct color on my snowflake. Got a little ahead of myself, and that's okay. So I'm gonna do soft seafoam. I was just talking about on Facebook, I did a live stream earlier today about how this is a color I never thought I would use. And here I am, using it. So there you go. It's one of the colors of paper that I didn't buy because I didn't think I would necessarily use the cardstock. But I like the ink, and I've used the blend. So those are really pretty. There we go. Okay. Yas. Now we're gonna die cut. Now let me go ahead and use my Big Shot die brush to remove normally you would leave it in the die to do this, but since mine kind of fell out of the die, there you go. Aren't these snowflakes so beautiful? Oh my word. I'm telling you, we're gonna get a ton of use out of this set for sure. So again, if you're into the class of the month, look at that. That is just so pretty. Oh, okay. Set all this to the side. Let's bring back in our card base, or card layer, excuse me. So I'm going to go ahead and do some ink blending using the seafoam. Now you can go straight to your pad if you want to, but I think I'm going to put my pad on a block and pull ink from a block. So this is just a Ranger ink blending tool. Get out your local craft supply. And I'm just gonna kind of blend in the middle and make sure I get that sentiment. I'm not so concerned that you can kind of see that it's splotchy because it is going to be covered up. So I just wanted to make sure that we had some color going around. All right, set that to the side. I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to my Whisper White card base. Don't forget, you can head over to the coordinating blog post, link down below. Again, that's where you'll find the information for tomorrow's release, along with the dimensions for this card, other pictures, the end of my October specials. This is the end of that since it's the last day. I'm adhering this flat because I'm popping up some of the other elements. So I took a poll on my Facebook live stream earlier about if they wanted to see pastel or if they wanted to see something more traditional, and pastel won, but I will be showing more traditional on Friday. So make sure you come back for that. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to start by popping up. What did I do in my dimensionals? There they are. I'm going to pop up this snowflake. The Blushing Bride. Gonna pop up this one too. Oh, I lost the glue dot. I'm like, what's going on? Oh, it didn't even come off my scissors, that's why. I'm like, where did it go? It's stuck to the scissors. It's stuck to, okay. I'm gonna stick it on the paper, just like that. There we go. So pretty, and I have some pink sequins. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna add some. Not very many though. So pretty and sparkly. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're just as excited about this new suite of products as I am. Again, everything is down below, all the information you could ever need in your whole entire life. So thank you guys so much for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you've clicked the bell. That way you get notifications when I post. I try to post Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, but I missed Monday, but I'm here today. So if you are in the States, I hope you had a fantastic, happy Halloween, safe, got candy if you want it. If you're not in the States and you don't celebrate Halloween, I hope you had a happy Wednesday. I will see you on Friday. Bye for now.